What is a subject, a predicate, and an object in a sentence? Let's study the following sentence. The dog is running around the tree. When you read this sentence, who is this sentence about, or what is this sentence about? Is it about the tree? No. Is it about the act of running? No. It is about the dog. We are telling about a dog who is doing something. So, the main topic of the sentence is the dog. This is the subject of the sentence. A subject in grammar is like the topic. And what is a topic? A topic represents the central meaning of a message or writing. For example, if you have read the book or seen the movie Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, you know that the book or the movie is about someone called Harry Potter who somehow gets involved with something called the Philosopher's Stone. Hence, the book or the movie is about Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So you can see that the topic gives you an idea of what to expect when you are reading the book or about to watch the movie. Subject is the same thing. When you are studying the science subject, you know that you will be studying about science. The subject of a sentence is the main person or the main thing that is doing something. Let's explore another sentence. Bobby is eating the chocolate. Who is eating the chocolate? Bobby. So Bobby is the subject of the sentence. The wind is blowing hard. What is blowing hard? The wind, which is subject of the sentence. One important thing. The subject of a sentence is always a noun or a pronoun. This is because only a person or a thing or an entity does something to something else or to someone else. Even if a verb becomes the subject of a sentence, it turns into a noun. For example, in the sentence, Michael is running. Running is a verb. It is an activity that Michael is doing. But in the sentence, running has become quite popular among health enthusiasts these days. Running has become a thing and hence is a noun. This is because in this case, running is not an activity but a phenomenon. Coming back to our first sentence. The dog is running around the tree. The subject is the doer. The object is to whom something is being done. The predicate is everything in the sentence other than the subject. A subject, a predicate, and an object are often considered within a clause. I will explain what is a clause in a separate video, but for the time being, you can just keep in mind that a clause is a very small sentence that is complete in itself. If there is a presence of a subject, a predicate, and an object, it is a clause. Watson repaired the engine. It is a complete clause. Let's quickly recap everything we have learned in this video using this very same sentence. Watson is the doer and hence the subject. Repair the engine is everything else in the sentence except for the subject. Hence it is the predicate. The engine is the thing something is being done to and hence it is the object of the sentence. Therefore, the subject is the doer, the predicate is everything else except for the subject, and the object is to whom or to what the subject is doing something. This concludes the video on what is a subject, what is a predicate, and what is an object in a sentence. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video or press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.